Hello again and welcome to Rob's Rapid EV Charger Reviews. Today we're in Wilcannia, about 150 kilometres from Broken Hill, or about a long way from Cobar that way. So we've got here two NRMA tritium chargers, 75 kilowatts. Fortunately one of them is out of order, which is a bit of a bummer, so you have a 50-50 chance of working when you get here. Okay, let's go through the list of what we got. First up, location. Well, it's in Wilcannia. It's actually just out the front of the hospital, which is a fantastic old building, and there's actually a park around here, so it's pretty cool. The location's not too bad. Pretty close, like a couple of blocks back from the main highway passing through, but yeah. The fact that it's here, it means it's good, and it's in a good location, so that helps a lot. Food. No food here at all, because there's a hospital there. I'm not sure when that's opening hours or if you can even get food there. It doesn't look like you can though. So food is definitely bring your own affair with this one. Access, yes, access is 24 hours, so that's always a bonus. I guess with these things, I wouldn't put them here if it wasn't 24-hour access, I guess. Kid-friendly, well, yeah, sort of. There's a park just across the road there, which is full of historical things and information boards and that sort of stuff. There's some really cool old buildings around the place. Darling River's just down there too. Just want to go for a swim, maybe. Long vehicle towing, well, yeah, long vehicle towing, it can be used if you're towing a long vehicle. There's no actual defined parking bays, there's just here on the side of the road, so you can just park parallel beside them and you can use them that way. Shelter, none, again, none whatsoever. Huge, massive old tree over there, you can probably see it under, and there's a park over there with a sheltered picnic table and everything else, away from the charger, so sort of yes, 50-50 on the charging, on the shelter I guess, so I'd say yes for a shelter. But as for shelter where the chargers are, none at all, as you can see. Phone coverage, well I've got Optus, and Optus is saying SOS, so I'm not sure about Telstra, but Optus is a no here, so no mobile phone coverage. Optus, yes. For Telstra, maybe. If you got Telstra, I'm not sure. Someone's going to have to check it. Ease of finding, yes, very easy to find. Basically, just follow the signs to the hospital, or your navigation will take you straight away. You can find it pretty easily. It's like literally on the side of the road. Bins, yes, bins in the park across the road, so that's a good thing. So you put your rubbish and stuff in there when you finish eating and having snacks. Toilets. I'm not sure about the park over there. It doesn't look like there's a toilet block over there. There's also the hospital there. Other than that, toilets. So, it would appear I was wrong about the toilets. Found a sign. The toilets are up there. So yes, these toilets, rating still 7 though. Given this one here, considering the fact it's actually here is a good thing, and it's working, it's even better. And it's a critical point between Cobar and Broken Hill, which is quite a long stretch, so makes the road trips possible with this charger. So I'd say overall, I have to give it a 7 because it's in a spot that makes these trips on the barrier highway actually doable. So that's a good thing. So thank you for watching. Take care until the next one.